Hello everyone, welcome back. You will get different types of academic materials in our channel in English subject. So today we are discussing a letter, a formal letter, a letter to the headmaster of your school requesting him or her to make more variety of book available in the library. This is very common and students have to write this type of letter to their headmaster or headmistress or school authority on different subjects. So I think this video will enrich your knowledge on writing the formal letter. Now let's start the letter. This is the address of the letter to whom we are writing this letter. To the headmaster or headmistress, as this will be applicable. If the school is girls' schools, then they will write the headmistress, and if the school is the boys' school, then they will write the headmaster. Then the name of the school. Here, for example, we have written the ABC school. You will give the name of your school as it will be applicable. Newtown, Kolkata. This is the address of the school. Now, we shall go to the subject. This is the subject of the letter. The subject is written in this way. Request for more variety of books available in the library. Subject should be in a precise form and in a formal form, and they should be written in this way. Now we shall go to the main body of the letter. This is the main body of the letter. Respected sir or ma'am. This is the first salutation. Respected sir or ma'am. Okay, as will be applicable. Respected sir or ma'am, we shall write. Then this is the main body. This is the first paragraph of the letter. First paragraph and main body of the letter. I am a student of class 11 section A of your school. This is the introductory line. You are just giving your introduction to the headmaster or headmistress. I would like to state that though there are a large number of books available in our school library, there are many reference books that are not available in our school library, especially in English and mathematics subjects. So here you have told the main problem. You have told here the main problem. The students are in urgent need of those books as the examination is coming. In urgent need means they need very much. Students need very much those books as the examination is coming. Apart from those reference books, I also request you to arrange for some academic books that can satiate the students' thirst for knowledge. Apart from those reference books means in addition to those reference books. So additionally, I also request you to arrange for some academic books. Okay, academic books that can satiate the students' thirst for knowledge. Satiate means satisfy, and those academic books will enrich the knowledge of the students. Now, this is the closing paragraph. Therefore, I humbly request you to take necessary steps to make arrangements for the above mentioned reference and academic books at the earliest, because those books will be beneficial for the students of your school. Here, this is the closing paragraph, and here we are requesting the headmaster to bring or to arrange those academic and reference books, and they will be beneficial. Beneficial means advantageous to the students. Now, the closing salutation. This is the closing salutation. Thanking you, yours obediently. The writer's name. Here the writer's name means the student's name. Class, section, you have to mention, and lastly the date. So this is the complete letter, and in this way a formal letter is written. So now let's have a look from the beginning, the structure of the letter. This is the address of the letter to whom we are writing the letter. To the headmaster or headmistress, ABC School, Newtown, Kolkata. And then the subject, then the first and the main paragraph. This is the first and the main paragraph here. And before this is the starting salutation. Respected sir or ma'am. After that, we are writing the closing paragraph, and then the closing salutation. This is the closing salutation. So this was the structure of a letter and the content of a letter, and you have to write, you have to practice this type of many letters to enrich and to improve your skills in English writing. So please write us for more letters or more paragraphs or more English writing. If this video is useful to you, then please give a like and share this video. Thank you all. We are meeting in the next video.